Hi, I'm CM Shamapti, and today is going to be the part 1 of my skincare haul. Skincare, hair care, makeup, everything. And I have decided to make it in like part 1 and part 2 because I want to show you these things properly and I don't want this video to be like super long. Let's start with this pimple patch from the Face Shop. I never tried their pimple patches. I tried one from Cosrx which was good, another one from Quench Botanics that was average, and pimple patches, they come like really handy when I get like pimples, so I'll let you know how it works. And next thing I got, actually I bought it for your recommendations because many of you wanted me to try this one. This is Plum Cleansing Balm. I heard many good things about this cleansing balm, but some of you also told me that it didn't suit you, you got whiteheads and all. So I'm like, let's see how it works. And the color is kind of cute. Okay, so it comes with this spatula, this small one. This is how it looks. This is how it looks like. I like the color. It has this very mild scent to it. I'll let you know how it works for me. Ingredients are like mostly emulsifiers, oils and wax and butter, cocoa butter and fatty alcohols as well. Alright, now I have this thing. This is avocado butter and I buy this every winter. You can use this for your hands, for your feet, for your hair as pre-shampoo hair mask, for your lips. This is good. Let me show you this is very nourishing, but the texture is like a little bit grainy like any other butters. You have to melt it or whip it to get better consistency, but it is insanely moisturizing, but it's gonna leave you a like thick film. I don't use this for my face, just for my lips and body and sometimes for my hair. And this is from Nature's Sack. Alright, so now I have a sunscreen for body. This is Nivea Sun Protection SPF 50 PA+++. I can't use those tube wala sunscreens for my body because it becomes very expensive. So I think for body, these kind of things are like more affordable and useful. So I bought this one. I'll let you know how it works. Okay, and now I have this Pilgrim's hair growth serum. I tried this serum before. I worked with this brand before, so I bought it again. I think this is my third bottle, and for this time I'm gonna be consistent because what I do, I use it for like 7 days and after that I just don't use it because I forget. But for this winter I'm gonna use it like every day. This one and Minimalist hair growth serum, both. Minimalist one I'm gonna use it for my eyebrows. Sorry, I have the Minimalist one. Even I'm gonna try it for my scalp to see if it works for me during the winter, because in the summer it made my scalp kind of hot, and this one's kind of lighter, so yeah. It has Retinol and again. Alright, now I have this lip scrub. I don't use lip scrub much, but I heard a lot about this one. They say it leaves this very beautiful pink tint behind after scrubbing the lips, so it made me really curious. The container looks like this, and this is how the scrub looks. It smells like candy, but way too much scented, I hope it works. Texture is kinda good though. I'll try it, I'll let you know. I like the color of the packaging. Red shade is so beautiful. Oh, they had this cupcake ka photo on it, see? Okay, so next I have this Minimalist tranexamic acid. It really works on pigmentation. At least it worked for me. I have used the first bottle of tranexamic acid and this is my second bottle. Sorry for the awkward sounds. This is the serum. I use this mostly at night. you have pigmentation, dark spots or redness, you can try tranexamic acid. Next I have a cleanser. This is Dr. Said's Centellan Vitamin E cleanser, and I read it's gonna be good for winter because it's very hydrating and all. I'll try and let you know. I'll test the pH as well. So this is how the packaging looks like. As Centella Vitamin E. Coco-midopropyl betaine is the primary surfactant of this cleanser, which is a very gentle surfactant. What I get from the ingredients list is that it's gonna be very gentle. Okay, so next I have a body lotion. So this is Dove Pro Age body lotion. It has lactic acid. Yay! I found another body lotion with lactic acid. So I assume it has maybe 10%, 5 or 10% of lactic acid. I need to email this brand to know. Lactic acid is the third ingredient which comes after glycerin. It has niacinamide too, but this is not fragrance free. Let me smell how strong the fragrance is. So this is the consistency of this body lotion. It has strong fragrance. The fragrance is not mild. It has this floral kind of a scent to it, but it is not mild. Initially I feel that it gives like medium kind of moisturization. Okay, I have to use it more to like tell you how it works. Next I have this Pure Sense body oil. So I bought it because it had like 50% discount on it, and I heard good things about it, so I wanted to try it for a long time, but it's kinda expensive. So I always thought, okay, I'm gonna buy it later, and this time I saw it had like very good discount. It has this flower petals inside it. See? I saw the photos and I thought it's like fake, it's like printed, maybe the petals, but this is a real one. Though it's kinda, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, or these are just for the show. It smells really good, but I'm not gonna buy it at its like full price, like 900 or something like that, maybe more. It smells good. I actually have tried their macadamia body mist, and it is very fruity kind of smelling, and it stays for a long time, which is like good surprise, because for body mist what they do, they don't last long. But this Pure Sense body mist, it lasts kind of long on me. So yeah, and I have another thing from this Pure Sense, and it looks interesting, you know. It is this candle. You have to burn it, then you can use the wax, melted wax, for your skin, like as a body butter or something like that. This is the candle. It comes with this. Oh my god, it came broken. It came broken. I'm sad. See, it came broken. Okay, now I have this one thing, green tea extract. I really wanted to try it for a long time, but it was out of stock. But yeah, I got it. And I have tried 2 of their toners or extracts. I'll let you know. And now I have a body lotion. This is from Love Beauty and Planet. They gave like 50% off, so I bought it. I tried this coconut water hair shampoo and conditioner. I love the smell, so I wanted to try this body lotion. And now I have this one thing, lip essence. I heard this stuff works really well, so I bought it. So this is how it looks like. It's like petroleum jelly, you know. It actually has petrolatum, you know, as the first ingredient, but I thought the formulation might make it better than our plain old Vaseline. I'll try it. I'll tell you if it's like worth your money or not, or if we should just stick to Vaseline. So next I have this Palm chemical pill, and this is very low strength chemical pill, so I wanted to try this one. It has 10% AHA, 5% PHA, 0.5% BHA. I'll try and let you know, because lately I'm having like rashes and pimples here and there, and the marks are persisting sometimes. So I thought a chemical pill would be a good idea, but I'm kinda scared. I don't wanna like using 30% or 25% right now, so I thought of getting this one. I have this lip tint as well from the Face Shop. The color is rose pink, and this shade is like almost always out of stock. I was eyeing this shade for a long time. See how pretty it is. So yeah, that's all for the part 1. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for being here, and take care. I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye bye.